times, talk to God, talk to Him. Kasi, minsan ini-ignore natin siya. Samantalang, nandiyan lang naman siya. Prayer can include worship, praise, and interceding for others. We can pray anywhere, anytime, giving Him thanks. Always acknowledge His presence in your life, asking for protection, guidance, and deliverance. Ano bang sitwasyon meron tayo mga kapatid? Always pray. Sa akin, I used to sing. Umaawit na lang ako sa Panginoon. Alam